Important facts about Karnataka. Here is a list of the top amazing facts about Karnataka you never imagined about. Some are really shocking while some might not surprise you that much. Either way, enjoy the best of the state through these facts. Largest coffee exporter. The whole of South India is covered in carpets of green plantations, but it is Karnataka that produced the largest amount of coffee. The first plantation was cultivated in Chikmagalur centuries ago. Second highest plunge waterfall. The Jog Falls, Gersoppa is the second highest plunge waterfall in India, located in Sagar Taluk of Shivamogga district. The Sharavati river creates this waterfall. The falls drop down from a height of 253 meters. Ruins of Vijayanagara Kingdom. The magnificent ruins of the Vijayanagara Kingdom still stand tall. The kingdom ruled a little longer than the Mughals and left behind the historic and famous Hampi ruins, a grand 14th century city. And yes, it is century a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Gomateshwara statue. This statue of Bahubali is 58 feet tall and is the largest monolith statue in the world, carved out from a single block of granite. It is visible from almost 30 km away. It is situated at Shravanabelagola, which is 145 km from Bengaluru. The legendary village of Gabbar. Many get confused, but it is true. The hilly region of Ramanagara is the village of the legendary villain Gabbar Singh from the movie Sholay. Ramanagara is located just 60 km away from Bengaluru and is just a short road trip away. Old rock formations. Did you know the Lal Bagh Botanical Garden has a prized collection of some of the oldest rock formations of the world, dating back to 3000 million years ago. These rocks are known to have originated before the dinosaurs. Land of languages. So many languages. The state is known to host people from various parts of India. An example of this is the fact that there are over 13 languages spoken across the state, with Kannada being the most spoken language, followed by Tamil and Telugu. Chanakya's manuscript. The oldest surviving and babbled manuscript written by Chanakya or Kautilya. The Arthashastra can be found in the Oriental Research Institute. It was originally set up as the Mysore Oriental Library in the year 1981. The River District. The historical district of Bijapura, known for Gol Gumbaz, is fascinatingly the land of 5 rivers as well. The rivers following through this district include Krishna, Bhima, Dhoni, Malaprabha and Ghataprabha. Karnataka Khadi Gramodyogya Samyukta Sangha. Well, the Karnataka Khadi Gramodyogya Samyukta Sangha or KKGSS is the only division in the whole country with the permission to sew and supply the flag of India. It is located in Bengari in Hubli city. The Royal Flight in Mysore. The Mysore Palace is only the second most visited place in India after the wonder Taj Mahal. The regal beauty and epitome of royalty in Mysore is the pride of the whole state. First private radio station. Yes, the state of Karnataka is the first in India where a private radio station was set up in the year 2001. Radio City 91.1 FM was the first national channel to be set up in Bengaluru, while currently it has built 50 more across the country. The glory of Rani Channamma. It is the year 1824. Rani Channamma, the Queen of Kittur, the princely state, became the first woman in India to lead an armed rebellion against the British East India Company. Classic music origins. Cultural excellence has always been a pride and part of Karnataka. Purandara Dasa is known to be the main pillars of Carnatic music. In fact, Pandit Bhimsen Gururaj Joshi also belongs to Karnataka, who is the father and pillar of Hindustani classical music. The state of waterfalls. As you might have read and heard about, Karnataka has the most number of waterfalls in India. The state is known to harbor in excess of 35 waterfalls spread across. Another language excellence. The beautiful and extremely serene village of Mathur, located by the banks of Tunga river, uses Sanskrit as a language for communication. Kannada is the second favored language. Interesting, isn't it? The lands of tigers. We really thank the presence of Western Ghats across the state. with plenty of national parks and wildlife sanctuaries in Karnataka. The population of tigers is known to be the largest in India. The ledger story. The Bangalore Club revealed an interesting and odd fact about former British Prime Minister Winston Churchill. According to a ledger revealed by the club, Churchill owes in rupees 13 to the club in unpaid bills. Biggest walk through ivory. Have you heard of the Karanji Lake in Mysore? Do visit. It is a great place. It is surrounded by butterfly park and has a walk through ivory, which is considered to be the biggest walk through ivory in India. The Carnival. The 10-day Mysore Dasara in Mysuru is quite famous for its festival triumph. Thousands of people visit here from around the world to witness the magical celebration. It is also known as Nada Habba or the State Festival of Karnataka. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe, like, comment, share. Thank you.